Nickel sweet, why are you feeding a bird? Oh, look pila one, mama.
No, don't fight. Neil. Oh my god, look what he's doing. Oh my gosh, Neil. Stop recording. Don't
Guys,
fight.
be nice. No,
If you guys fight, you guys won't get food. Mama, we should go to the pet store.
Yeah, in jail tomorrow morning.
Do you have like seed, like normal seeds?
I'll give them some corn. Fresh yummy corn.
And like, Mom, since they don't have food, I'm just gonna put this in. Because it's not fair to them.
No, let me clean here now. No, they have food.
Where?
I'll clean up.
There's
and
no
I'll,
more.
I know where it is. I'll give it to them. Eat, mama. I'll give them some quinoa. Quinoa is okay for them to have. And they're very
Also,
healthy.
we could put some fruits.
Some bananas.
Oh,